Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can change Facebook page name. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner and then switch to the target page by tapping on this arrow icon. Now, again tap on the menu icon, open your account settings, and then select Page Setup under the Audience tab. After that, tap on the View button and type in the new name. Once done, tap on Review Change and then enter your password to save the change. So that's basically how you can change Facebook page name. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.